greet, bulisa in isiXhosa, bulisa. She's going to teach us how to greet in Sesotho. Today, Rita Bua Sesotho. Yay! I am so excited. Dunami. Let us go learn.
Dumela. My name is Ausi'Tumi and I'm going to teach you how to greet in Sesotho. Let's start. Now, to say hello in Sesotho is to say dumela. Say it again. Dumela. Again. Dumela. Hello in Sesotho is dumela. Now I'm going to teach you how to say how are you? How are you? Lekai. Now I'm going to teach you how to say I'm good. I'm good. Gideng. I'm good. Oh, that was so much fun. Hune monati hahulu. Bye-bye.
Thank you so much, Ausi'Tumi. I learned so much about greeting in Sesotho. Dumela is hello. Dumela. And lekai is how are you? How are you? And then lastly, kideng is I'm good. I'm good is kideng. So it is dumela, lekai, and you will reply and say kideng. Kideng, Ausi'Tumi. I am good and I am so happy. Divuya kakulu. Bye, Ausi'Tumi. See you next time. Bye-bye. Salani kakuhle. Sis'Bongo unithanda kakhulu. Bye. Don't forget to like, subscribe, comment, and share. Bye-bye, friend. Bye-bye, Chomi.
Bye.